Hello everyone! Now that you have completed your informational writing unit, it is time to transition into a new topic, argumentative writing. During this mini lesson, you will be able to identify the position or perspective a writer is taking on a particular subject or topic, along with comparing how two individuals discuss the same topic. So you're probably wondering what argumentative writing is. What makes it different from informational writing is that instead of having the goal of sharing facts about something, such as details about Kobe Bryant's life and career, argumentative aims to prove a point or opinion about a topic. For example, if I ask you, which is healthier, pie or cake? You would pick a side or position, team pie or team cake. To support your position or make an argument for one dessert over the other, you would give evidence that defends your choice. A key part of argumentative writing is that an argument can be made for and against your position. The framework of argumentative writing is similar to that of informational writing, but it has some clear differences. So, what does argumentative look like? It has a hook that grabs the reader's attention. This could be a question or an interesting fact about your topic. So in the case of pie versus cake, my hook could be, did you know that there are hundreds of different flavors of pie? Or, it is believed that pie was first invented in ancient Greece. Next, it has an introduction to your topic. Here, I would describe or give information about pie. So that could be something like pie is a beloved dessert that is enjoyed all year long during a variety of special occasions, or Pie Day is celebrated by indulging on a sweet, ooey-gooey piece of pie. Argumentative writing has a thesis statement, which is the central claim or position you are arguing for. So I am arguing or taking the position that pie is a healthier dessert than cake because it is made with fruit. Now that I have made this claim, I need to provide evidence that supports my position. So I could do this by citing how pie can have any type of fruit inside of it and that you can eat it all year round because of being able to bake it using fruit that is currently in season. After providing evidence for your position, this is where our writing framework changes a bit. It is time to include the counter-argument. This is the position that is the opposite of mine, or it challenges my viewpoint. So for my pie argument, this could be, not all pies are made with fruit, and cake can also be made with fruit. Now, you're probably wondering why I would give support to the opposing argument. Isn't that counterproductive? Well, by giving information from the opposing view allows us to give the full picture regarding our topic and then describe why that counter-argument is wrong. This is called a rebuttal. The rebuttal allows you to say, despite these facts, or despite there being cakes with fruit, only pies are almost entirely made of fruit. Now, enough about pie. It is now your turn to test your knowledge and identify the parts of the argumentative framework. Using the scope article, Does TikTok Belong in Schools?, located in the Argumentative Unit subfolder within the Online Learning Assignments folder on our Schoology site, you will identify for each passage the central claim, the evidence each student, which is Michael and Genevieve, uses, and the counter-argument and the rebuttal. This is what the article looks like, and in the bottom right-hand corner, it describes a scavenger hunt activity and how to identify the different parts of the argumentative framework. You can choose to do this digitally, like so. I was able to annotate the article on my laptop, but if you find it easier to print the article out and do it by hand, that works as well. Marking the elements within the article is helpful because it can help you visualize what each element actually looks like within a piece of writing. Additionally, it can help you complete your assignment for this lesson. This worksheet is located in the same folder as the article. Please fill in the boxes with examples of the argumentative elements from the article. I provided you with 2 examples to get you started. Once you have completed the worksheet, please submit it on Schoology.